In terms of my brand update, I want to give you guys an update on my streetwear, my luxury streetwear brand that I've been working on endlessly. And I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting on Arcway for literally the last month because I've been focusing on this brand. I've been doubling down and behind the scenes. Every day I'm doing something towards the brand, and it is not easy, but it is doable. It just takes time, and it takes time to develop a flow and something that you want to present to the world to like a top tier, high quality degree. And that's something where I match myself and I see myself doing amongst my peers in fashion. So it takes time, but I'm happy that you guys are sticking with me through this process, and you guys will be very satisfied with the products when they do launch. And I'm looking forward to doing a lot more with this brand. If you guys know, you know. I'm not going to say much about the brand, but I will post a logo right here, as you guys can see. So in terms of entrepreneurship, and what you go through in terms of building a streetwear brand isn't easy, but it's doable. But there's a few things I'm going through right now, right, in terms of figuring out what makes sense. So I just got my garment label. I got my garment in. Actually, I had to pick up today. I got 50 heavy cotton tees, and that is something that I had to research, and I wanted all my production made in Canada. So that was extremely important for me, and that isn't always easy to find because I don't want to provide my clients, my customers with Gildan t-shirts. There's just something about that for me. That Gildan t-shirts, Champ t-shirts, it doesn't sit well in my stomach because I know what I want to provide for you guys, and I want to give you guys a top tier of quality. So I researched, and I've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes, and I found a company that I do love a lot, and I do believe in a lot. So that production will be provided for you guys in terms of my garments. I got 50 blank tees, and I have some hoodies and some jumpers, like hoodies and like bottoms as well, that you guys will love too. So those will be made to order, but I do have a collection of products that I'm actually going to pick up after this podcast. Labels are in. So this is like the behind the scenes of everything. For someone who wants to know the ins and outs of all this, the labels are actually just arrived, and I actually have on my desk behind the camera. And I got the shipping labels, I got the tag labels, the material labels. So those are the things that I love about having and receiving a product that I look at in detail a lot. So in terms of packaging, how it's packaged, what the material tag looks like, what the tag behind the neck tag, behind the garment, behind your neck, what does that look like? What's the hanging tag look like? How's the quality of it? Like, these are things I look at in terms of like a high quality brand, and that's what I'm like doing right now, trial and error. So in terms of branding, that is my brand aesthetic of everything, and that's something that I'm working on. And I'm working towards building up to the level and degree that I see the brand sitting at amongst its peers in the industry. Another thing that you guys can check out regarding the brand is the social presence. We are on Instagram. We are on TikTok as well. So you guys can just see the natural progression. Talking with a lot of clients and subscribers that I met in person. A lot of them influencing me to definitely get on TikTok a lot more and taking that more seriously. So I did make that TikTok from that conversation I had with one of my subscribers in person, and just creating the journey. I'm realizing with the younger generation, Gen Z, majority of you guys are watching, I noticed that you guys love the journey. I noticed you guys love to know the start to finish of things, and essentially that was new to me. I just didn't see that as something that was interesting, that was cool to do. So I'm definitely showing you guys the behind the scenes of my designs, how I come up with them. There's a lot of creative like videos and productions that I'm making until I develop a team of my own and have a group of people handling the social marketing side and other parts of the company. But yeah, you can find us on social media as well. That's something that I'm putting a heavy focus on, especially for as the brand grows. Right now, I'm working on e-commerce. So if you guys are interested in the clothing brand, you guys want to check, like find out updates and news and like newsletters, definitely look in the link down below, because by the time this video comes out, I have my website up. So you guys can subscribe to my email list, so you guys can be in line and basically one of the first few hundred people in line for the email list. You guys can get the updates and you guys will get exclusive offers being the first supporters. So you guys should check that out. I'll leave the link down. It'll be down below in the description box. So you guys sign up for the newsletter for that as well. Website will be up for e-commerce, so you guys can place your orders. And yeah, man, I think this brand is going to be doing really, really well in the future as it grows, and the time and attention I put into everything, and the things that you guys will be seeing from me sewing my tags onto my products, from me packaging it up, and even to me handing out in public or delivering to clients. That's something that I truly would love to see in brands, and I'm giving you guys that firsthand with my own. So I just want to say thank you guys for supporting. This would be great, and I just want to see you guys' feedback on the whole brand and let me know what you guys think of it as well. So you know, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys for supporting me and my channel and my ventures. And yeah, sign up for that email sign up list for sure.